Hello everyone, I'm just playing Trains and Worlds, so I'm just going to have a nice tour around the 166. It's 166-211, which has been told with the other fleet, which is this one. So let's take a look. Oh, nice. So got standard class. Let's have a look at it. It's just gaming, it's just fake. Yeah. Doesn't work in toilets. That's a bit of a shame. Looking nice, yeah. It's got a luggage rack, some brakes and everything. Looking nice, yeah. Now look at that first class looking very nice. I don't know if it is, yeah. Oh, that's so nice. Very nice train. Still better than. So yeah, Great Western Railway is making better. Safety, passive staff access. Passive safety. First class looking very nice. Now look at that first class looking very nice. Standard class. This is the wheelchair base, as you can see. Not a toilet. Not a toilet as well. Sit down as well. Look. This is fantastic. It's very fabulous. It's amazing. Cool. It's very fabulous. It's amazing. Cool. It's got LED screen. This doesn't work. Doesn't work. So, right, let's test the door. Open. So this is the Trains and World 166, which is the ex-First Great Western and First Great Western link transferred to Great Western Railway to have to be refurbished so they can improve more trains running.